Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by assuring R and Rstudio are current. This prevents package incompatibilities. Once done, open or create an Rstudio project so your working directory is stable. Put your CSV or Excel file into that project folder and note its file name and path. Then check Getted to confirm Rstudio sees the right folder. This first action avoids path errors later and lets you import with relative paths, which makes scripts portable and reproducible across machines. Now run the actual import commands. Choose Read CSV for plain CSV or Reader. Read CSV for faster parsing. If you have Excel, install and call Readxel, then run Read Excel with the sheet number. Once the data loads, immediately validate it. Use Head to view rows, SDR, to confirm column types and summary, to spot missing values. Make sure to set strings as factors appropriately and convert dates with as date or lubridate when needed so analyzes won't. Finish by cleaning and saving. Rename columns, convert types, and save a serialized copy with save RDS so loading later is instant. Then commit your script and data to the project. If something goes wrong, check common culprits: wrong working directory, mismatched delimiters, or encoding problems. For encoding issues, retry with file encoding or reader. Locale. For delimiter problems, specify SEP or use read_delim. These checks resolve most import failures quickly and keep your workflow reproducible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.